In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SEO to your Wix pages, an essential step for increasing your website's visibility on search engines. SEO, or search engine optimization, is crucial because it helps your website rank higher in search results, making it easier for potential visitors to find you. Let's start by navigating to Wix.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account. This is where you'll have access to all your Wix sites. So if you have multiple sites, make sure you choose the right one. Next, look for the option labeled Select Site, which will lead you to the dashboard of the website you want to optimize. This dashboard is your control center, offering various marketing tools and insights into your site's performance. From there, you're going to click on Marketing. You'll find this option in the menu on the left side of your dashboard. The marketing section contains various options to help you promote your site more effectively. Within the marketing area, locate and click on Go to SEO. This is where the magic happens, optimizing your site to be more search engine friendly. In the SEO section, you'll see a button called Get Started. Click this to begin the process of setting up your SEO. This guided setup ensures that you're covering all the bases necessary to enhance your site's searchability. As you proceed, you'll be asked to select your brand name. This is crucial as it represents the identity of your website, and you'll want it to be consistent with other branding efforts. After entering your brand details, hit Next. You'll then be prompted to choose your location. This step is important because search engines consider geographical relevance when compiling search results. By specifying your location, you're ensuring that your site attracts the right audience, especially if you rely on local traffic. Once you've chosen your location, click Next again to continue. Now it's time to set your keywords. Keywords are the terms people use when searching for content related to your site, so it's important to choose wisely. Think about what your target audience might search for and enter those terms. SEO relies heavily on these keywords to connect your site with relevant search queries. When you have added your keywords, hit Next to proceed. And there you have it. With these steps, you've set up basic SEO for your Wix page. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, so it's good to periodically review and update these settings as your business grows and changes. Engage with consistent content updates and track how your keywords are performing to ensure continued success in search ranking. By enhancing your SEO strategy, you're giving your website a stronger chance to stand out and attract the audience you need.